Hi guys, Liz Tomey here from IamWithLiz.com. And if you are going through all the tutorials I've been doing, you are learning about launching your own digital product or any kind of product really, okay? Where we're at now is on to creating your JV page. So your JV page is the page you're going to send all potential affiliates and JVs to read about your launch, get their affiliate links, know about any contests and stuff like that, okay? Now I've already created one page. I've created several of these in my career here, but I just did this page the other night. And if we go through here, basically a headline, get your affiliate link. I tell about the launch, and this is an evergreen launch, so this isn't really something that is focused on time. And then I have a place here where all affiliates can get on my list. We'll talk about that. And then I explain the sales funnel. I do a walkthrough of the entire sales funnel via video. I've tested the offer, so I have conversion numbers here for people. Then I allow them to click on a button, get their affiliate link. I put this on my page a couple of times so people aren't going back and forth trying to find where to get their affiliate link. A few reasons on why to promote. Tell people about it being an evergreen launch. Then I give affiliate tools. And I have quite a few on this page. And then I give my contact information and, of course, all the legal stuff, okay? So what I want to show you guys today is me creating a JV page for something I am about to launch. Now, I've got all of my copy for the page created. All the words and stuff that are going to be on the page. You might want to do this. I have, underneath this video, you'll find a resources document. It's a PDF, and it has tons of resources in there on, creating your JV page. I tell you about, going and finding other people's JV pages and getting ideas from them on what to put on your pages. And there's also what I call the anatomy of a JV page that you're getting access to. And I just followed that and created the content for my JV page. All I want to show you right now is the actual technical side of building one. You can go through that resource document and get a heck of a knowledge on what to put on your pages and stuff like that. This video's purpose is just to show you the technical side of things. So I am using OptimizePress, so we're going to go OptimizePress, create new page. Now OptimizePress does have a marketplace where you can go into and find all kinds of templates. They don't have very many templates to create JV pages with, which I'm really disappointed in. So if we come down here, launch pages, other pages. I got the associate affiliate page, which is what I used to build this affiliate page from the marketplace. And it's basically, I think there's like a couple of other ones in there, but it's basically it as far as, JV page templates. But you can use any of the landing page templates, the sales page templates, whatever you want. I'm actually going to be using a landing page template for this one. This is called the browser landing page. And the name of this offer is, let me go back to my home page here. Instant Income PLR Special Offer, okay? So I'm going to grab this, and that's what I'm going to name the page. Create page. And then it's going to come to the live editor. And now I can come in here and add any elements that I want. I can take away elements that I don't want to use, stuff like that. So if we look at this, first thing I definitely want to do is come over here. I'm going to click Publish, and I'm going to click Save and Continue. View Public Link. And this is what it looks like right now live, okay? First thing I want to do is get rid of all these links down here. I'm going to put my legal pages on here, but I don't want all of these links. They're to like pages within my site. So I'm going to come all the way down to the bottom, and it's actually not in that, so you need to come over here to Page Settings. Not there. Where's it at? layout settings. Yes, footer area, and I'm going to turn that off. So if we come down here, that's all gone now. And then the headline, I'm going to leave the headline as it is, but I'm going to use, of course, my headline. Give your followers an amazing way to learn to use PLR to make money in their business and earn up to $124 per customer. Insert. There we go. So there's my big O headline. Now, if you want to save and continue and check out what it looks like live, you can definitely do that. If you don't like how big your headline is, or, you know, the color or anything, all that's totally editable. Click Edit. And as you see right here, I can make that smaller. I can change the color. I don't want to change the color though, but I do want to make this a little bit smaller. There we go. So save and continue. Okay. Refresh. There we go. So give your followers an amazing way to learn to use PLR to make money in their business and earn up to $124 per customer. So I'm going to tell them exactly in my headline what it is they're looking at promoting and how much they can make, okay? That's a big takeaway I want you guys to understand, is when potential affiliates hit this page, you've got to tell them as quickly as possible what's going on so that they can make a decision to keep reading or not. If they keep reading, the chances of them promoting are greater. So you definitely want to tell them exactly what it is you've got to offer, okay? Now I'm going to put in a little sub-headline here. Add element. I'm going to do another headline. And actually, is what I can do is I can just clone this one. Go in and edit. Paste. I want to underline proven. I want this in a smaller. So I'm going to do this at about 30. Let's see what that looks like. Looks good to me. And then you want to give them your launch date. Mine is an evergreen launch. I'll be doing launches that, you know, are only like 3 days or 7 days or whatever. But mine's actually going to be an evergreen launch. So and again, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to clone that. Edit. Put in my verbiage here. Launch date. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Let's go 24 on this and see what it looks like. Insert. Now, this to me is just too much white, so I'm going to change the colors around. And the color I want this now, let's do like a yellowish golden color. Alright, now that looks better to me. So if I click Save and Continue, and I go look, this looks great. Now I might want to put a little bit more spacing in there, and that's easy to do. OptimizePress has all these really cool elements you can use, so I'm just going to do it like 20 px, 20 pixels, and that put it below it, and I want it right there. Alright, so that looks good. Happy with that. Now I need to start putting in my note here that's going to be 2 affiliates. And I'm not going to have a video here, I'm just going to have text. So I got rid of that video. I'm just going to have a text block. So text block. Paste all the information in here. And what I do is I just go through and pretty it up, add some bold and some italics. This just breaks the text up and makes it easier on the eye. We definitely want to make it easy for them to read. Alright, so we got to change that text color because that's not going to work. Let's put this in white. There we go. Alright, so just have a note in there, and then now I'm going to get rid of this part. I don't know what that's supposed to do, but it just totally messed something up. Let's just use save and close and come back to that. Let's see what I did to it. Let's refresh and see what I did to it. Alright, so it looks like I clicked on that, not knowing what it was. Probably not a good idea to do that stuff. But let's see what happens when you click on this page. Alright, so it should have brought up that to edit it. We'll figure out why it did that in just a moment. Alright, so go back to Pages, Live Editor. Add an element, text block, do the whole copy and paste thing. Let's go back in here and do our stuff. Alright, so we need to make the text white because I learned last time I did this. Here we go. Alright, so let's do save and continue, so it'll save what we have. Click OK. Now, as what I do on my pages is I always include an opt-in box, okay? So that's what I'm going to include on this page. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to do add element. I'm going to do an image. Now I've already got this image uploaded because I've used it on another page. So I'm going to do media library. And images. I'm looking for that image. I can't remember what I call it. There's a way to find out though. Badges 1. Okay. So badge. Let's just search for badge. There we go. Let's see if we show that. Insert into post. Insert. Okay. So I want to bring this above here. And then edit. It's not showing this text though, and I'm not sure why. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's do I would like to put some text. Add element. I would like to put some text above this. This might be coded to where I can't do that, and that's okay. I can recreate this, but so this is what they see when they click on that. And I don't want to just have it say click here to get launch updates. I actually want to have... Alright, so we're going to get rid of that completely. And we're going to click Add New Element. And I'm going to click search for opt-in box. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm sitting outside because it's absolutely gorgeous out today. I can't stand to sit inside. And I'm just going to look at my options for this. I'm going to go back up to probably this one. Alright, name required, disable name. Alright, let's see what happens when we click insert. Alright, so content. Here's the headline. Alright, I'm just going to go to my page, get on the launch list. Here's the headline for it. And I use the same verbiage on all my pages, so I'm just copying and pasting here. Get on the launch updates list. Enter your name and best email to get updates sent. Okay, this looks good. I do want to make. I wonder if I can make the. Okay, it won't let me make the headline bigger. Get on the launch updates list.
Use the opt-in box element.
Alright, that's not what I want. So submit button. I think this one, it says update me Liz. It does. Update me Liz. Insert. Now, if I didn't want to have any of the, if I wanted to use something different, I could, pull something in here that allows me to edit the headline and stuff like that. But I really am okay with the way that it is. I'm just going to look and see if there's any other options, and they're not. So this is totally okay with me, the way it looks. Is what I could do is if I wanted to, if it allows me to do that, I could also put my image in here. If we go content, so maybe not. Alright, so if we look, disable name. I want my name to be first, the name field. That should change that. Enter your first name, enter your email address. It does. Alright, so there's all of that. So if I click save and continue, so this is what my JV page looks like at this point. I might want some kind of space here. I do want some kind of space because I need to break that up a little bit. Let's look at our option here if we're using full width. Okay, let's see if that breaks it up. It does. I think I like that break too. This just comes down to what you think looks good. Oh, and it didn't break it. Alright, it's not that big of a deal, so I think I'm just going to move right along. I might come back in and put, some kind of little bit of something here. I could change the background of the launch date thing. There's lots of different stuff I can do, but I'm just going to keep rolling on through this. The next thing I'm going to want to do is I want to add a new row, because I'm going to put in the sales funnel explained. I'm just going to use this headline again, and then I'll have a graphic of my sales funnel. You guys can watch me do that. Here's a walkthrough of the entire funnel. I'm going to be recording a video. You guys won't be able to watch me do that. This offer is proven to convert. Take a look at the conversions below. Get affiliate link. This is an evergreen launch. Oh, you know what I can do? That's a good idea. Let's do this. All right, so add new row. I'm going to put in a thing here for an affiliate link button. That definitely needs to go there. So if I click save and continue, let's see what this looks like. Well, that broke it, so that's awesome. Not broke it, but you guys know what I mean. It put a break there. So I'm going to add element, button, click here to get your affiliate link now. I'm just going to use the same thing. Button designer, text, click here to get your affiliate link now. Now I need this to link to my JVZoo page for people to get their affiliate link through JVZoo. So if I do sellers dashboard, I got to come in here and find that product. Title. There we go. No, I need to do it by launch. There we go. Special offer, PLR big, PLR special. I think this is the page. Let's just make double sure it is. Okay. So, no, that's the PLR page for it. So they can get PLR there. Big special offer. Yes, this is it. It gets a little bit confusing when you come in here and you have a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to do actions, affiliate details page. And this is where you're going to bring people to get their affiliate link. So I'm going to come and put right there. I want it to open in a new window. Click insert. Save and continue. And let's see what this thing looks like now. Oh, totally messed up. Not happy with that. So we need to do something different. I don't know why it's so big. Click here to get your affiliate link. And let's do this at about 24. Maybe that'll make it smaller. Insert. And no, that doesn't matter. Let's see why this button is so huge. We might have to do a different button, and that's okay. Yeah, let's try a different button. So add new element. No, not a new row. Add new element. Button. Button designer. It doesn't normally make them that big. I'm not sure why it's doing it here. Text. Okay, that one's not going to work. That one's not going to work. Looks like we have to use the button designer. So if I just inserted that as it is, it still makes it that big by default. Ah, there's some more buttons here. I'm new to using OptimizePress also, guys. So once you get started doing this, don't feel like you're an idiot because you don't know how to do it. Because obviously, I'm not great at it either. Let's see what this does. Still makes it huge. Wonder if all of them are going to be that way. Well, that's simply not going to work. Alright guys, so I'm going to pause the video for a minute, see if I can fix this so I don't have to put you guys through the pain and boringness of watching me try and figure out what I've done. But when I get it fixed, I will start recording again and show you guys what I've done to fix it. Alright, so I couldn't fix the button. So I deleted that page and went and found a more user-friendly template. And this one I know works. This is a great template, and I'll show you guys what I got here so far. Basically everything we just did, I just did on a new page, okay? Headline, I put my launch date in here, got the actual button working the way it should. Then I have a note in here about everything, my opt-in box, and now I'm going on to the next part of this, which is the sales funnel explained. And if you look here, all I did was just clone this whole block right here and put it here. Now I'm not going to give them this just yet, and this has got to change because this isn't about the sales funnel thing. This is about the launch date. I went and found a little evergreen tree I thought was cool, so it explains that it is evergreen. The sales funnel explained. Alright, so now is what I want to do is I want to create a sales funnel graphic. If you look on this page, I used this little graphic. I got it from one of the graphic sites that I am a member of. I could go back and use this one if I wanted, or I can use a different one. I think is what I'm going to do here is use the one I have. So here it is, because it's going to be easy, because the only thing I have to do is get rid of the first one and the arrows that go with the first one, which would be, nope, there we go. So now I'm just going to go like this, and I'm doing this for time's sake. So file, save as, and this is going to go in my folder for Instant Income PLR special offer. I'm just going to call it sales funnel for special offer, and I'm going to save it as a PNG, save, okay. Now this template has a lot of stuff in it that I'm not going to use, and I'll delete all this stuff out of it when I know what I'm not going to use. If I'm using a template, I try not to delete anything out of it until I know exactly what I'm going to use. I'm not going, now I could, if I wanted to create a spot where it says, you know, reasons why to promote, I could do something like this, but I'm not going to do that in this one. I just need I think is what I'll do is I'll just do an add new row, but I don't want it this color. Let's see what happens. Insert into page. Alright, cool. So I'm just going to put sales funnel explained, add element, and I'm going to get a graphic or image. There we go. It's images. And then select file. And I'm going to upload it from my computer. And then I'm going to go into the correct folder, grab this, drop it in there, insert into post, insert, and there we go. Now I'm also going to add an element, and I'm just going to do HTML. I'm going to do div align equals center, div video. And this is where I'm going to insert the video that I do that walks them through everything, okay? So add element. I need some space in there. So we're going to put the spacer between there. Video walkthrough. And then what I need to do is add an element. I don't want to do another one of these black boxes. Oh, what do I want to do here? I do want to bold this. Just trying to think from a design. The sales funnel explained. Video. Okay, I can do it just like that because they'll see this and then they'll see the video. Usually I put like some kind of call to action that says, watch the video below, or something like that. Like I did over here. I just did the sales funnel explain. Here's a walkthrough of the entire funnel, and I might come back and do that. Yes, this offer is converting. Pour on the traffic. Pour some traffic on me. Sorry, everything's a song in my life. I don't know what to tell you. All right, so moving right along. I've had way too much coffee today. I need something that is another headline. And I'm going to put it below there. And I don't want to use the same headline again. This offer is converting. Pour on the traffic. Why is this taking so long to load? There we go. So the sales funnel explained. This will be, here's proof that this funnel converts. And then I'm going to go into JVZoo and take a screenshot of that. I'm not going to do that right this second. I'll have to come back in, and basically I'll just do what I did up here. I'll just add an image. I need to add another row. Insert. Add element. And this is where I would put in my image. So like if I image. I don't know what I named this one either. Let's look. Open image in new tab. It's called Big PLR Funnel Numbers. Okay. So, big. And that's actually, this page has the wrong things on it. These are the actual numbers for this one. I have to change that. So let's search Big Funnel Numbers. Show. Insert into post. Insert. Oh, why is it so little? Remove image. Select image. I want the full size. There we go. Alright, so there's that. And then I definitely want to do a click here to get your affiliate link now link. So I'm just going to clone this one and pull it down here and put it right here. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to go ahead and save and close it because it's going a little slow. Sometimes if you save and close or save and continue too much in OptimizePress, it's like it holds a bunch of stuff in your browser and it slows down. It's quite annoying. But I love Prophet's theme because it's so easy. I say so easy to use. I've already had to change a template and everything. But it is really easy to use. So get your affiliate link now. The next thing here will be why promote. If you want to do a why promote section, and you should. People need to know why they need to promote for you. I've already talked about it being an evergreen launch. So there's all about the sales funnel explained. This will have a big video here so it won't look so crunched up. Get your affiliate link now. Is what I could do. Let's go pages, all pages. Live editor. Scroll down here. I think I'm going to get rid of this box and drag this onto here just so it stands out on its own. Save and continue. Okay. See if that looks better. I think that looks better. I probably need to put some more spacing down here. Add an element. Space. We'll start with 20 pixels. Save and continue. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. I really like the way that looks. Okay, and then as I get more numbers, like if, an affiliate comes in and promotes, I can say, this is how affiliate so-and-so did. This is how affiliate so-and-so did. This is how affiliate so-and-so did. And you can get all those numbers right in JVZoo. All right, so now I need to get to... I do need to do the why promote thing. I really think I do. All right, I'm not going to use this. So I can get rid of that. It's getting to that point now where I can start getting rid of stuff that I'm not going to use in the template. Let's keep that for a second. This could be a good why promote thing, but I'm not going to put that much into it. Don't need that. Don't need that. Because once you delete these things, guys, they're gone. You can't get them back. That's why I don't do anything until I'm sure I'm not going to be using it. This is a great little sales page template. I really like it. Okay, so now I need to start adding in the affiliate tools. Actually, we'll do this. We'll do why promote this offer. And then I can just put some stuff in here about why to promote it. Some reasons why we want to promote. For me, it's because it's, high quality stuff. I've gone through, I've made sure that I've tested my numbers. I know it's proving to convert. When people promote for me, I reciprocate. So that's definitely a huge reason to promote. If you look at this page, you'll see my reasons to promote. The front end offer is a free offer. Everyone loves free, which that doesn't apply to this one because the front end offer isn't free. High quality, already tested. I promote for you. And then I put just something a little funny in here because it's the right thing to do. You're a good person, right? Just a bit of my crazy personality. So I'll do something like that in the next on that page too. All right. The next thing here will be, let's add a new row. Affiliate tools. And actually I need to clone this whole row. I'm going to bring it down underneath all of this and put it right here and do edit affiliate tools. And I'm going to give them initially 4 emails, 4 content pieces, which are like articles or blog posts that they can use wherever they can post content, maybe a couple videos, and I'm going to put some banners on here too, because this is an evergreen offer. So I want people to be able to use banners like I have over here on their thank you pages, because this offer is going to be around for a long time. People really like thank you page ads that they can put on their download pages. That's a huge thing. That means your offer is getting in front of buyers, okay? So to do all of that, I'm going to do add element. What have we done over here? Affiliate promotional tools. That's probably what I should put on this too. Affiliate tools, edit, affiliate promotion tools. Okay. So insert, add an element. I need some text. Text block. Use these emails to promote the free offer. Da 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 da. I'm going to change that up a little bit because it's not a free offer. Use these emails to promote this offer. Buying through the rest of the funnel. All you need to do is promote the front end offer. Insert, add an element. They have these things called tabs. That's what I want to use. I'm going to have 4 emails. You can come in and add and take away from this. So this would be email 1. Content on using PLR. Actually, this is going to be a hard sell email. Email 3 is a hard sell email. So email 2, content, soft sell email. And then email 4 is also going to be a content soft sell email. I'm not going to get into email marketing in this video because it's way out of the scope here. Okay, so there's that one. I'm going to add spacing. Insert, add element. Actually, is what I can do is I can clone, come underneath that spacer and clone, come underneath this, edit. You can use these content pieces on your blogs and emails anywhere. Just insert your affiliate link and post. I can use the same verbiage. Insert. Come in and edit. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to do here yet. So I'm just going to put content 1. And then I can come in and you just copy and paste whatever the content right here. Content 2. Content 3, content for. So I'll be able to come back in, put all that in here, and then images. Again, spacer. I really like this clone thing. Clone. Now, I don't have any images for this yet. I've got to get them created. But I'll show you guys how to do this. So, add element. I see a typo. Just insert. Okay, no, I know. Affiliate page snippets. So if you're going to use an image, and I'm just going to use the image that I did over here. What's the name of this image? Oops. Thank you page. Okay. I'm just showing you guys for the sake of this how to do this. Thank you. There it is. Insert. And then you would put affiliate link goes here. You don't have to put a description if you don't want to. Like I'm calling this a thank you page ad, but you don't have to. And they can just copy and paste their the code for this, and they can put their affiliate link in there, okay? And of course, I want to put this above here. And now I can continue adding anything else I want. Like if I want to do video or anything like that, I can put videos on here. I can use the same code thing, but I'm going to get rid of this so I don't forget and leave it on here for affiliates. I'm just going to do a little, in case somebody finds this page, because people do hit my Liz Tome's affiliateprogram.com site. So I'm just going to put here, coming soon. Insert. Spacer needs to go above there. And then I'm going to offer them videos also. Edit videos. You can copy and paste the code below and use any of these videos as content that leads your readers to the sales page on any sites you own or are allowed to place videos, and use any of these videos as content. Okay, that looks great. Alright, so coming soon, I'll have to come back to that. Alright, so let's save and continue and see what this thing looks like. See if we're happy with it. Let's hit the refresh button. Give your followers, headline, launch, about the launch, updates list, the sales funnel. I got to get my video done, get your affiliate link, why promote, I got to put the why promote stuff in there, affiliate tools, I got to get all those loaded. So the last thing here is going to be putting in my contact information, and then also this information, and I'm just going to copy and paste. So copy, you guys are not allowed to copy and paste from my sites, just FYI. Okay. So I'm going to do add new row. And we're going to add an element. We're going to do text. Copy and paste that right into there. Insert. Okay, add element, image, and I gotta see where this image is, or what it's called. Liz's JV SIG. Okay. Select file. Media library, because I've already got it uploaded. Liz's. Well, that's what it's called. Liz. There it is. Show. Full size. Insert. Boom. I do not want it centered. Left. Insert. And I want it above this verbiage. And I could come up here and do this. Move it below all of this. Edit. Contact. Or you know what we'll do? Thank you. Save and continue. Okay. Let's take a look at this. All right, I'm happy with this. I've got to go back in and fill out everything, but guys, that is how you create an affiliate tools page using OptimizePress. It did take me a little while. It takes you a little while to get all the content created for it, but like I said, go into that resources document that's underneath this video, and I've put tons of information in there about going and looking at other people's JV pages to get ideas for what you want to put on yours. I've got a document on there called the Anatomy of a JV Page you can look at. It tells you everything you need to put on your JV page. I've got ideas in there for affiliate tools you can use, all kinds of stuff. So if you have any questions about how to create your own affiliate tools page, JV page, whatever you want to call it, come on over to Facebook. If you come to Facebook, and I'll also put this in your documents too. If we go to, let me see what the name of the group is. I know it's I Am with Liz, but I can't remember what the whole URL for it is. And I'll show you guys where to come in and get personal help from me. Let's go groups. Groups. All right, so the full URL is facebook.com/groups/I Am with Liz, just as you see it right here. Plus, like I said, there is a link in your resources document to this page. There's, at the time of this video, there's 136 people in here. So there's lots of people in here interacting. We're talking about all kinds of great stuff. And you can always come in here and ask me questions and get help directly from me. All right, I hope this video has truly helped you and will allow you to go on and create your own JV pages. But these are absolutely vital if you're going to be doing a launch. I'll see you next time.